So here we are having one question that each packet in the computer networking is routed independently in virtual circuit subnet, short circuit subnet, datagram subnet and ATM subnet. So we know that subnet is nothing but one broadcast area where two computers, two nodes residing in the same subnet, if they want to communicate through some packet exchange, in the case we don't require any kind of router, so they can do the communication directly, and that is known as the same broadcast area will be considered as a subnet. So question here is that for each and every packet will be routed independently in which kind of subnet? Virtual circuit subnet, short circuit subnet, datagram subnet and ATM subnet. So at first let me discuss what is a packet. So a packet is a unit of data that is routed between an origin and a destination on the internet or any other packet switched network. So here the information will be broken down into multiple different small packets. There is a chunk of data, and those packets will be sent from one origin node to the respective destination node. So here we have discussed what is a packet. So that is the definition of the packet. So let us go for more clarity. So when any file, there is it may be the email message or maybe some HTML file, graphics interchange format file, URL request and so forth is sent from one place to another on the internet, the transmission control protocol, that is a TCP layer of TCP IP, divides the file into chunks of an efficient size of routing. So that is our definition of our packet. Now let us come to the solution. So here we will be going for this option number C. Option number C is the datagram subnet, and for datagram subnet, for each and every packet will be routed independently depending upon the current dynamic condition of the network, whether it is congested, depending upon the path which is having the maximum data carrying rate, and so many other features are there, with the help of which dynamically, in case of datagram subnet, each and every packet will be routed independently. So each packet is independent of all other and includes complete addressing information and may follow a path different than the other packets of the same message whenever they were sent. And the network layer does not guarantee delivery of each packet and does not promise to deliver them in the same sequence also. That means the packets might be sent from the sender in a certain sequence, but they may be received at the receiving end in some different sequence. And you know that the packets in the network layer are also known as the datagrams. So we shall be going for this option. There is a datagram subnet. So what was the question? Each packet is routed independently in which subnet? I shall be going for this option number C, datagram subnet. And here you have discussed what is a packet and what are the different components of a packet.